Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mom and Gitu. In this video we'll see the recipe of butter cookies. If you're watching this video and have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Ingredients needed are butter at room temperature 110 grams, sugar 80 grams, all-purpose flour 250 grams and a pinch of salt. We can also add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence or cardamom powder. Take butter in a large mixing bowl. Add the sugar. It should be either small granules of sugar or powder it. Powdered sugar should be good. So whisk the butter and sugar together nicely until it is creamy. So keep mixing it nicely. If you have a blender, you can use that. So here I am using a hand whisk. Once it is nicely mixed, keep adding the flour little by little. Adding the flour little by little makes the mixing easier. So keep adding the flour and mix it with a spatula like this. So combine it well, do not knead the dough. Combine the butter, sugar and the flour together nicely. Once it is nicely mixed, you can add the remaining flour. While mixing this, we just need to make sure that all the ingredients are combined well, but the dough shouldn't be stiff and we should not knead it like the chapati dough. Now I'm adding the remaining flour and just combining it with my hand. Just mix it lightly. It would take time, but mix it lightly. Next I'm adding a pinch of salt. Bring everything together. Now adding the last spoon of flour. Combining it nicely with the hand. Bring together the entire dough. It would not be very soft and it should not be very hard also. So just bring together everything and it will blend very well. It will form a very soft dough. This is how the dough forms together nicely. We don't need to add any water, milk or anything. The butter itself will help blend the dough nicely. So here we get a smooth ball. Now cover it and leave it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the dough and the texture should be like this, crumbly. So this is what gives the texture of the cookie. So you can take small pieces and make them into round balls and just flatten them in your hand like this. So this is one way. You can just add some design with a fork or a spoon. When you're making the ball or flattening it, do not press too hard. So just slightly you can press it like this and flatten it. The other way you can make is like you can use butter paper, and this is the butter paper, and I'm keeping a big ball of dough and I'll be rolling it with a chapati roller. So take the dough like this, then fold the butter paper on top of it and roll it. Do not roll it too thin or too thick. The cookie would expand in size when you bake it. Now we can use cookie cutters or any round shape and make the desired shapes. We can also use, if you don't have cookie cutters, you can just use some lid of any bottle, or you can just cut into squares or rectangles using a knife. And this is how our shapes would be. Now this is the easier way to remove them using a spoon so that it doesn't break when you're removing it. You can see how easily it comes. So here I'm making into different shapes because all the shapes are very appetizing for the kids. You can make everything, keep them ready, and then we can put them for baking. Roll the remaining part of the dough, and again you can cut them in the desired shape. Once we have all the cookies ready, we can arrange them on a baking tray on a butter paper like this. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake these cookies for 12 minutes in the oven. Initially the cookies would be soft. Let them cool down on a wire rack and then they would become like this. So the back should be like this light brown. That is when we know that the cookie is done. Even if the cookie is little soft when you just remove them out of the oven, do not panic. Just leave them aside for a few minutes and let them cool down and they would turn crispy like this. So this is the texture. So now our cookies are ready to be relished. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do try this out and let us know how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.